Hello, welcome to my second test video where I've been trying to get programs and stuff in the background going so I can get rid of all the ambient noise like my dog snoring next to me and my keystrokes and stuff, with help from a friend of mine who's put me onto Nvidia Broadcast, so hopefully that helps. Yeah, so what we're going to do today is just basically run through exactly what I did yesterday to see if the sound levels are going alright, or the sound levels are better, which it shouldn't be that hard considering that yesterday I literally just had my headset on the desk next to me, so the microphone wasn't anywhere near my mouth. So yeah, it should be a little bit easier to hear me today, even though I'm just using my cheap gaming headset microphone. So yeah, let's just do a little bit of a run around, go into each of the buildings, check the mail, get a dog bark, do some watering. So yeah, as with yesterday, this is my farm. I won't explain what's going on, I'll just give you a quick tour. Greenhouse, pretty standard setup except for not the most efficient. Oh, I forgot to jump on the horse. I'll get on the horse in a second. That way we can hear his hooves hitting the ground as he's running. Might do that first. That is... Alright, so pigs, sheep, everyone's doing okay. That gravel was actually really loud compared to walking on the dirt. So yeah. Oh, you gotta love some of the sounds in this game. It's great. Chickens. Lizards, rabbits. Fruit bat. Tapping farm. Is anyone else one of those people that kind of has to have like one of every single thing in the game to make it feel like you've got a full farm? Yeah, that's me. My very first one that I played through, I had like literally one of every plant by the time I stopped growing or stopped playing the game. Yeah. Alright, well, this has been a nice little test. If you've made it this far, cheers. If not, completely understand. Yeah, let's see how much better that is. Alright.